God, I got a piece of shit car. That fucking pile of shit never gets me very far. My car's a big piece of shit, 'cause these shocks are fucking shot. Well, my seatbelt's fucking broken, I got to tie it in a knot.
It's a piece of shit.
I can't see to the windshield, 'cause he's got a big fucking crack. And the interior smells real bad, 'cause my friend puked in the back.
It's a piece of shit. Piece of shit car.
A piece of shit car.
You got a piece of shit car.
It sucks royal dick.
That fucking pile of shit
100%
never
crap.
gets him very far.
Oh, fuck you, car. It's got no CD player. It only got the 8-track. Whoever designed my car can lick my sweaty nutsack.
They can bite his ass too.
And I got no fucking brakes. I'm always way out of control. 11 times a day I hear, hey, watch it, asshole.
You fucking piece of shit. Piece of shit car.
I got a piece of shit
You got a piece of shit car.
Diesel gas sucks my
That
ass.
fucking pile of shit
That pile
never
of
gets
metal
him
shit.
very far.
Oh, what the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do to get stuck with you? You're too wide for drive-through, and you smell like tissue, but I'm too broke to buy something new. Oh, fuck me. Likes to flood, the car always fucking stalls. And the seat cushion's got a big rip, so a spring always pokes the balls.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Plus the door locks are busted, I got to use a fucking coat hanger.
What a pain in his ass.
And if a girlie sees my car, there's no chance I'll ever bang her.
He never ever get the pussy.
Hey, shut up.
Piece of shit car.
You piece of shit
You
car.
got a piece of shit car.
You piece of shit car.
Piece of shit car.
Both
You got a
fucking
piece of
tires.
shit car.
No rear view fucking
Piece
mirror.
of shit car.
7 different
You got a
colors.
piece of shit car.
Fucking rag for a gas
Piece of
cap.
shit car.
Tailpipe making
You got a piece
sparks
of shit
fly.